Takeuchi keeps our guys going. There's not a lot of worry or anything about the machines really breaking down. They have a great durability to them. The company is Metropolitan St. Louis Sewer District. My name is Matthew Kinsey. I'm the planner scheduler for the fleet. We have about 600 assets. About 300 of those are different equipment: trailers, mixers, excavators, skid steers. So we have functionally 3 different departments in Metropolitan St. Louis Sewer District. They're going through and replacing old sewer lines or making repairs to others, replacing manholes. Whatever it is that needs heavy lifting or needs excavation is what our guys usually do. Well, we've known Tim for quite a few years, and he's always very pleasant. Greets us, he deals with any questions that we have. Whenever we need a certain custom or modification done, we can always reach out to Tim. He takes care of us really well. He's a great territory manager. Our operators are functionality of what we need to be able to accomplish out in the field. We have different specs: hydraulics, engine run, torque that it can handle, dig capacities, weight capacities, functionalities, tight spots to get into, and Takeuchi meets those specs, and our operators enjoy operating the machines, and they're dependable for us. They haven't let us down, and the operators really enjoy them.